Hello Voyagers, welcome to the second flipped classroom video, subject and predicate review. We're talking about sentences today, and we're talking about the two main parts of every good sentence, which is the subject and the predicate. So let's just get the definitions reviewed first. The subject is the main noun in the sentence. It is the thing doing the action. And the predicate is the main verb. It is the action being done. So look at this simple sentence. The hero rescued the crowd. You can see the subject is the hero, and the predicate is the rest of the sentence, the action, rescued the crowd. This is what we call a complete subject and complete predicate. The complete subject is all the words connected to the subject, and the complete predicate is all the words that are connected to the predicate. A student who knows her grammar should know how to break the sentence in half at the division between the subject and the predicate. Let's look at what that might look like with the sentence I just said. A student who knows her grammar should know how to break the sentence in half at the division between the subject and the predicate. Now this is kind of a complicated sentence. It's not simple, it's not basic. But if you look carefully, you should still be able to see a division between complete subject and complete predicate. See if you can take a guess as to where it might go. And it is actually right here. So let's talk about why that is. First of all, the subject. The subject, complete subject, was a student who knows her grammar. The simple subject there was the word student. And the rest of the subject was who knows her grammar, which is a phrase modifying the student. The predicate is this whole long phrase, should know to break the sentence in half at the division between subject and predicate. The simple predicate is the verb know. The rest of the predicate is made up of phrases. An infinitive phrase showing what a student should know, a prepositional phrase telling where the student should break the sentence. All these phrases apply to the word know, so they are part of the predicate. Now, the simple subject and predicate are just the two words most pivotal to the sentence's meaning. They are the main noun and the main verb. And in case you're starting to get a little panic thinking about all these different phrases, take a minute to remember you've been doing this since at least first grade. The act of finding the main noun and the main verb in a sentence is not new for you. So again, just to review, in our sentence from earlier, the main noun and the main verb, the simple subject and the simple predicate would be student and know. Again, simple subject, student, simple predicate, know. Now you might be asking yourself, why do I need to know this? This is confusing. Grammar is frustrating. I already know how to speak, so why do I need to know this? If you know how to find the simple subject and the simple predicate in your writing, it can help you make sure your own writing is clear. Conversely, if you can't find your own subject and predicate, chances are your reader can't either. And without a clear subject and predicate, it is hard to follow a train of thought. I like this little image. It says, I've got thoughts more tangled than my headphones. I think everyone has felt this way before, myself included, and knowing this basic grammar principle can help you kind of untangle those thoughts that you're trying to share in your writing. All right, now it is practice time. It is time for you to take your worksheet and first of all, just to try and draw a line to divide by complete subject and complete predicate, just looking at these four sentences. All you have to do is draw a line to show where you think the sentence breaks between complete subject and complete predicate. Go ahead and pause the video and unpause it when you're ready to see the answers. All right, you're ready to see the answers, so here they are. The sentences break between the complete subject and the complete predicate. Take a minute to note that down. You can pause the video if you need to. And when you're ready to go on, you have one more exercise to complete. Now, in these same sentences, I want you to find the simple subject and the simple predicate. That means just the one word that is the main noun and then the main verb. So pause when you need to, and when you unpause the video, you will see the answers to this second task, which is circling the simple subject and the simple predicate. All right, ready? Here are the answers. Take as long as you need to write that down or make any changes you need to make. and on the next slide we'll see a little bit more practice. I want you to choose one of these two links to use for a little bit of further practice to really make sure going forward that you know the difference between the complete subject and the simple subject and the complete predicate and the simple predicate. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in class.